In this video I have tangent x times cosecant x equals to tan x times sin x plus cosine x. So I will start from the left hand side. So it's going to be sin x divided by cosine x, and here we have cosecant x, which is the inverse of sin x. Then I multiply these two, cosine x times sin x, and here we have sin x. And on the right hand side I have tan x times sin x plus cosine x. So it will be sin x divided by cosine x sin x plus cosine x. So if I have the common denominator, we have cosine x sin squared x plus here will be cosine squared x. So the answer will be 1 over cosine x. And from the left hand side again, so these two we can cancel out. It's going to be 1 over cosine x. So as you see here, from both sides, from left hand side and the right hand side, we get to another ratio, which both of them are equal to. So from left hand side I reach this ratio, and from the right hand side I reach this ratio. So that's just proven the trig identity.